What do you guys think of my camera stand? I just gotta... It's really hard to balance a phone on a coffee mug handle, but I think this'll do. Okay guys, so college has let out for the summer, so I'm free to make more YouTube content. I love YouTube. Sorry, I'm not feeling too well. I just had a lunch meat, cheese, and mayo sandwich. It was a bit rich. I feel tired. Okay, wake up. Wake up. Okay, so basically now that I have more free time, I'm going to be putting out more content, more videos. I'm going to try and shoot for at least one a week, and no more than 3 a week. I think that'll be ideal. Some life updates. I'm still unemployed, though in a video I have coming up, I might become fun-employed, if you know what I mean. Yeah, you'll see what I mean. Let's see. Another life update is that I'm taking boxing lessons now. I'm taking boxing lessons and I'm finally getting in shape, and that means you might be saying goodbye to good old second chin here. Yeah, little buddy, your days are numbered. Your days are numbered, pal. Ah, hell yeah. So yeah, prepare to say goodbye to second chin, because these boxing lessons are actually doing the trick. So, yeah, more videos coming soon. I'm going to be doing more sketches. I'm going to be doing more sketches and maybe play some card games or some shit. Maybe a movie review. I might start a reaction channel so I can steal other people's content. On another note, I have a new sink. This is a new sink. I finally upgraded from the caveman sink. It's touch activated. This little light indicates the temperature. It's blue, so it's cold. But if you do this, see it's turning red. This is the first function. Has a shower mode, but most importantly, it has a fucking hyper beam. Here's some breadcrumbs, ketchup, mayo, and blood. Look at that fucking amazing.